Make some noise for yourselves. You've been such a good audience. Been watching from the side of the stage. Make some noise. So we're gonna play a song that we made together called All of Me. Here it is. Hope you guys enjoy it. If I'm left this song, cause you really love it. Cause I won't give it, I won't give you up. Sometimes I fall and I give you nothing. Told me all your problems, disregard it. But I never tried to listen. And you always tolerated. And I can't turn my back, man. It made this complicated. Wait, don't leave me astray. I'll figure it out, tryna find a way. Wait, you don't need to change. I'll stay by your side, love you either way.
Hey, your mom still with me? I said your mom still with me, make some noise. Yeah. Oh, my kids are so cute. keep moving this.
I think someone in the crowd that kept yelling out a specific request. I don't know if you can hear it.
This sister down here is sweet song. As I said, I'm from a place in Western Sydney that is kind of like here, and it's called Campbelltown, and the postcode of that is called 2567. That's this song. Let's go.